Meet Armin and Sam, twin brothers. They spend a lot of time talking on their cell phones. They both know that's not good. Recently, Sam got quantum EMF radiation shields called Vortex BioShield, just to try it out and forget to tell his brother about it. When they speak on the phone, Armin always gets so irritated and edgy. Sam smiles, but does not understand why Armin is so distracted. Sam suddenly realizes that he is an EMF protector and his brother had none. He quickly visited the Vortex BioShield shop on Amazon and ordered one right away. When Sam visits Armin, he opens the box and hands him the Vortex BioShield, helping him to insert his phone into the anti-radiation phone case. Now, both brothers talk on the phone, smiling, knowing they are protecting themselves from excessive radiation. To protect your loved ones from excessive radiation, visit the Vortex BioShield shop on Amazon.com. Get your own anti-radiation phone case and laptop cases today.